Hello, I'm Alex. I need an appointment with Dr. Mitchell.
Hello, Alex. Sure, I can help. Can you tell me your birth date and address?
June 15th, 1985, and 223 Oak Street.
Great. Why do you want to see the doctor? Any problems?
I have headaches and feel dizzy. I want to check.
I'm sorry. Let me check when Dr. Mitchell is free. Morning or afternoon?
Morning. Next week, please.
Tuesday or Thursday at 10 a.m.
Tuesday at 10 a.m. works. Where is the clinic?
Dr. Mitchell is at 656 Elm Avenue. Come 15 minutes early.
Okay. Anything I need to bring?
Insurance card, medication list, and any important health info.
Thank you. What if I can't come? Cancel?
Call us 24 hours before. Is there anything else you want to know?
No, that's all. Thank you for helping me. See you Tuesday.
You're welcome, Alex. Take care and see you Tuesday at 10 a.m.
Hello, this is Alex. I have an appointment with Dr. Mitchell on Tuesday at 10 a.m., but I need to cancel it.
Hi, Alex. No problem. Can I get your full name and date of birth for verification?
It's Alex Johnson, born on June 15, 1985.
Thank you, Alex. I see your appointment. Can you tell me the reason for cancellation?
Something urgent came up at work, and I won't be able to make it. I'm really sorry for the short notice.
No need to apologize, Alex. Life happens. We appreciate you letting us know. Would you like to reschedule?
Yes, please. Can we schedule it for next Thursday at the same time?
Sure thing, Alex. I've got you down for Thursday at 10 a.m. Is there anything else you need?
That's it, thank you. I appreciate your understanding. See you next Thursday.
You're welcome, Alex. Take care, and we'll see you next Thursday. If anything changes, feel free to call.
Thank you. Have a good day.